viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do the reading for the month of July for the sun sign, which is the strongest sun sign of the zodiac, and the sun sign is called Leo. So, Leos, this reading is for you, and we are going to read how the month of July is going to be treating you. So, like other signs, we're going to start reading from the theme of the month card for you. So, let's see what is the theme of the month for you guys, and how the universe is treating you here. Okay, so let's quickly see that. Let's see the energies here, Leo. Hope is always there even if we can't see it. Optimistic expectations can help change a negative situation into a positive one. So looks like there could be a negative situation you will be coming across in the month of July. Maybe you've lost your job, or maybe you are about to leave your job, you're on a notice period, or maybe in your personal life you're facing some troubles in the relationship, maybe some troubles with the family members. But you need to keep one thing in mind, that hope. You need to maintain hope with regards to your relationships, your career, your job, your bosses, the people around you. So because that's something which gives you positivity. So even the most negative situation, if you are in that and you maintain hope, you are actually hoping that things will get better sometime, someday, then trust me, it will certainly get better if you have hope in your mind about the positivity of the relationship. Okay, so we're moving ahead to to look at the energies week wise, how the energies are for you, and how does it really look like for you. And let's quickly see what is happening here. uh Okay, so a lot of mixed energies. In fact, something new is starting, and certainly there's something new you're going to get into in the month of July. Could be a new job, could be a new relationship, could be a new business you get into suddenly in July. So let's get ahead. Month of July brings you multiple energies, variety of energies in your life, and how does it really impacts your life? Like the first week, if you have been into a third party relationship, if you were into a third party relationship, if you were a third party in someone's life, or someone else was a third party in your life, and you had scars of that wound in your heart, in your mind, till now, till June. So trust me, in the month of July will get you recovery. So you will start recovering out of that situation. Maybe you will understand, or maybe the person who was involved as a third party in your relationship will now understand that it's not worth it. There's no use of it. Look at the heart, which has three swords here. So the recovery is happening for you guys. You're going to recover out of the situation. So maybe you're starting to forget whatever has happened, and look at the association and the with which the card has come up with. Like the companion card of this card is the star. So star tells you what is gone, gone. Do not focus on something which you're not going to achieve, which you're not going to gain in life, with which you're not going to gain anything in life. So with all the enthusiasm, once you are over this recovery, once you are actually in that recovery phase and you've reached that stage, the stars are telling you that have that zeal again. Just pick up your weapons, and then start your war again, or maybe start your fight again in life, and then make your life a little positive if you can do that. Okay, so it's a very positive energy for you, and you should actually feel proud about it, that now you're moving from one phase of the life to the other, and that too with a lot of positivity. Now, do you relate this card to the theme of the month card, wherein I told you that hope is something which is the theme of the month? So you're going to have a lot of hope about a lot of situations. Negative situations also, you will try to turn them into positives with your hope, with positive mindset, and a lot of things what you're leaving behind in life. So moving with this leaving behind energy, with this new energy, hopeful energy, to the second week of uh, July. And here you are going to have work very very hard, guys. So you're going to be working too hard. You will be working you maybe you had invested something somewhere, and now the time has come wherein you will reap the benefits of that harvest, what you had worked upon for a very long time. So the time has come that you will get some comfort in life in the second week of July. Also in relationships, if you are in, since you're recovering in the first week and recovery is there on cards in the first week of July, the second week will give you the outcome and the benefits of that recovery to your mind, to your soul. So you will feel very very good about yourself in the second week. And also with that, you will have a lot of happiness out of your kids. So your kids will give you happiness. Maybe they will become the reason for your happiness in the second week of July. In fact, I see a lot of Leos, if they are pregnant, or maybe if they are not pregnant and they are planning to have a baby with their partner, then I think second week of July is a very positive week when it comes to, having a child or maybe conceiving with a child. That's the energy. Also, when it comes to second week, this week is very very nurturing, has a very very nurturing energy. So when I say nurturing energies, not only your kids will be there in your life giving you happiness, you will also be taking a step ahead and then giving them that extra comfort which will help them nurture themselves in this harsh world. So you're going to give them a lot of nurturing, growth, learning by yourself to your kids. So here the association between you and your kids becomes really very wonderful. Okay, we're moving to the third week of July from the second week, and I must say that this is the most positive reading I have seen till now for Leos, if I look at it, because there's a lot of recovery happening, a lot of benefits coming your way, financial benefits are also there your way. So maybe even if you don't have a job right now, considering the current market scenario, your investments, your savings will be something which will work for you like a savior. So here that is happening. So you're not going to be in a situation where it is a poor kind of a state of situation for you, and then you don't have a penny to spend on you or maybe your kids. So I see that very well. It is very wonderful. And also I will tell you one more thing, that if you were not focused on your kids till now, July will get you very very focused on your kids. So your entire focus will certainly take a U-turn, and then it will come back to your kids. So not only kids become your priority, you are also the priority of your kids this time. So very positive energies when it comes to the family matters. Okay, third week, you might want to leave something established behind and then to move to a better opportunity or maybe a better place or maybe a better relationship. So maybe that you leave a relationship behind and then you want to move ahead, take a next step in that relationship. So you've dated a person for a very long time now and you want to move ahead in that, in a committed relationship now. So that can happen in the third week of July. So the commitment is coming your way. But somehow I think few people will not be happy with this step of yours. So maybe they will not feel good about it, that why are you taking this step, it is not a right step. Maybe you will stop listening to them, and this is why they will stop giving you advice also. So they will put their weapons down. But at the same time, I will say that they have just put their weapons down, they have not really dropped them completely, they are still carrying them. So be careful of the decision and the people you are surrounded with, because they might just come up suddenly and then make your life a little troublesome. So right now the peace is looks like temporary kind of a peace. If your opponents, your enemies, your competitors, your competitors are not really poking in your life right now. So that looks like a temporary phase, because they might suddenly come up with a lot of problems for you. But hey, you don't have to be worried about it, because you're going to be a winner in the month of August. You're going to be having a new job opportunity either your way. If you're not having a job right now, some financial gains will come your way, and that's happening in the last week of July. So by end of July, you will again be in a beneficial situation if you're not in that in this month, in the month of July. So things are moving in the right direction, things are moving in a positive direction. And by the end of July, you will feel that you are a new person altogether. Whatever priorities you had in life in past, you're putting them behind, and then now you have new priorities in your life. So you're gonna be focusing on new things in life. You're going to be having different kind of focuses in life. Also there are few Leos who might also think about starting their own business, own venture, own something like which works in their favor. So it is a positive idea. If you have that idea in your mind, I think you can implement that and you can live with that also, because it is going to give you a lot of positivity and a lot of success also. Let me show you the card also so that you can actually relate to that positivity. Look at it. Ace of Pentacles is there in your card. It talks about some financial gains also. You might start a new business. You might have some financial gains also from the existing investments what you have done, or maybe if you think of starting something new, that will also be very beneficial, because there's something is happening here. You have two aces in the card and it talks about new starts, new beginnings, something new. It is like the counting starts from 0, and then from 0 we go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and further. The same way, aces are the zeros of the zodiac, and these, when you talk about 0 talks about a completion. Remember, if you remember our session around angel numbers, and then wherein I told you that 0 is, it talks about some new beginning, a completion of phase. So here you have two zeros in your readings. If I actually connected with numerology, connected with the angel numbers, here I think that you're going to be having a very soon, there's a phase which is getting completed in your life, and then there's a new phase, a beginning of a new phase which is coming your way, and angels are supporting your cause as well. So be happy about it. You are in the protection of your angels, so be happy about it, Leos. I think it is a very beautiful month. It is going to be a very beneficial month as well at the same time for you, and you can feel happy about it, right? Another thing which I'm going to do for you is your relationship card. If you're in a relationship, you're actually seeking advice around a specific relationship, then I can do that. Meanwhile, while I'm shuffling cards for you, I would like to look at more energies in the cards and see if I can tell you something more. So, people who are family way, I told you that, if you plan in this month, you will succeed. If you are having challenges in conceiving, some, gynae issues you're facing, then just excuse me for a couple of seconds. I just dropped the card down. Okay, and your opponents may drop their weapons down for some time, but then be careful from them. You can't just be carefree from their perspective. You need to focus a bit on them also, so just be careful about them. And what does the relationship talks about is everyone is doing their best. So people around you and your relationships, people with whom you're associated with, they are doing their best already. So I'll read out this message for you. You will actually be amazed by this message. It says everyone is doing the best, and if I look at the message, an elaborated message for you, it says there are really only two type of people. One, those who will love until there is only one type of person, and then we probably hit replay. There'll be set of people you will love now, and then you will love later. Okay, so love is all about accepting people who are there in your life right now, and they are there to give you love. So you focus on your love on the people who are there with you, who want to receive love from you, or maybe who want to give love to you. So people who are not around you, someone you desire for, so, or maybe you are still thinking about, if they're not there and you think the possibilities also of them coming into your life are very low, then I would say that just help yourself and focus on the relationships which are there in hand in front of you right now, because that is going to give you some benefit rather than focusing on something which is not achievable. Vacuum away fear. If you are scared of something, if you're scared of someone, just take away that fear out of your heart and throw it out, because you don't have to be worried about it. You need some healing, Leo. And when I talk about healing, it is about, you have a lot of fear in your mind. What if this happens? What if that happens? So if that kind of a thing happens for you, or with you, or you have some kind of fear inside your heart, then I think you should actually get rid of that, because angels are there to give you a new beginning. They're there to give you a new chance altogether, a second chance in life altogether. So take advantage of that chance. Okay, be happy, be good in life, and then just take care of yourself. Okay, Also, if you want to get a personalized reading done by me, you can reach me on my India number, which is 91 is the code for India, and the number will be 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website, which is www.blossomlifetarot.com. Very soon we'll be posting a lot of good content also on our website, which is related to your angel numbers, which is related to tarot, which is related to your zodiac signs as well. So keep on visiting my website. Take care, good luck, and God bless you. Bye bye.